Okay, so we're given a function, and it says it's defined from -1 to 2, and it contains an absolute maximum a value of 3, and absolute minimum value of -29. Okay, so we need to first consider the first derivative, and let's do that. Let's find what that is. Symbolically, you get 3ax squared minus 12ax, okay, and the b is gone. Okay, so let's clean this up. Let's factor out 3ax, and you get x minus 4. So luckily, we can read out the critical numbers independent of the a unknown value. So x equals 0 and at 4, these are the two critical numbers. But this one we have to omit because we're only considering values from -1 to 2. Okay, so the absolute maximum and absolute minimum can occur either at local max or minimum, or it can occur at endpoints. Okay, so that means we need to check the x values, -1 and 0. -1's from here, and 2, which is the other endpoint. So let's plug in -1, and you get -a minus 6a plus b, which is -7a plus b. If you plug in 0, you just get b. Okay, if you plug in 2, you get 8a and minus 24a here plus b. That simplifies to minus 16a plus b. Okay, so look, if a is actually a positive number, then you can see which one is the largest. Right? These have negative values, and they all share b. So clearly, this must be the maximum. Right? B is the maximum, which means b, which is given what the maximum is, absolute maximum of 3. Okay. So if that's the maximum, this must be the minimum, minus 16a plus b, which is equal to minus 29. Okay, so minus 16a plus 3 is equal to minus 29. That's minus 32, so a is equal to 2. Okay, this is when a is positive. But a doesn't have to be positive, a can be negative. Okay, so let's consider if a is negative. Then, that's the maximum, and this is the minimum. Okay, so then, you get b is actually equal to -29. Okay, and then minus 16a plus b is the maximum, which is 3. Okay, so minus 16a minus 29 is equal to 3. And you get minus 32, so a is equal to, minus 2 here. Okay, so two potential answers. Okay, so you have to say there are two possible case scenarios, right? If you miss one of the case scenarios, they could, in a question like this, if it was on an exam, they could deduct marks.